Hi, this is Paul again, and this is how to create a smart recording and then use Handbrake to encode it so you can upload it to YouTube. So this assumes you've already installed both the smart software and Handbrake. Let me hide the Blackboard site, and on the edge of my screen you can see the smart tools. I have the recorder added. I use this customize icon and added the recorder to the tools that I see all the time. You can also launch the smart recorder from the Start menu. Start, all programs. Down here is Smart Technology, the Smart Notebook, and the Smart Recorder. Now this is already running, obviously. I'm making a recording. Right, and you can see the time counting down here. So once I've finished, now I can't stop this, but once I've finished, I'm going to hit the stop button and give the file a name. So this file, when I'm finished with it, will be Smart Recording and Handbrake. And then from my Start menu, I'm going to launch Handbrake. And that we're still recording. I'm just going to move this off to the side. And I'm going to hide the smart tools. Up at the top here is Source. It's a video file, and I'm already in the folder where I'm keeping the Blackboard videos. And I'm going to encode this one that I just did a couple minutes ago, this embedding a voice thread conversation in Blackboard. Right, this is an AVI file that the smart recorder created. I'll show you in a minute where that setting is. And all I'm going to do is say open. This is the size of the file. I'm not going to change any of these settings. Right, this is all defaults. Video H.264, frame rate is same as source. I'm going to leave the rest, and I'm just going to click Start. And down here you can see encoding and the progress. This takes a little bit, depending on how big the file is. While that's running, I'll show you up here in the smart recorder. I can't change the options. All right, there are options in the smart recorder to set this to record an AVI file. And I'm actually going to let this finish running so I can show you the last step of this, which is uploading it to YouTube. Encoding finished. So here's our Blackboard site. I'm going to remove the recorder. Aside again, that's still running off the screen. YouTube. YouTube. And I'm going to sign in. And this is my gmail.com password. And up here under my account is a video manager. And here are videos I've made already. I want to upload. Select files from my computer. No. Blackboard videos. Here. Embedding a voice thread conversation. This is now an M4V file. I'm going to get rid of the extension here in the name. We don't need this. Add uppercase. Doing that with Blackboard, voice thread, tutorial. And this is embedding. This may take a little time, but this file will upload, and then this is the link, and I'll paste this link into Blackboard. So that you have access to that video. This is a pair of videos. One was the recording on how to do a recording. The second one is the recording on how to do a recording, how to embed it in Blackboard. And the first one was how to embed a voice thread conversation in Blackboard. I'm going to leave this one set to public. We've had this discussion elsewhere. Here's the setting for upload complete. Now we could watch this. So let's finish this whole thing. I'm going to leave this to public. That's fine. I could either be unlisted, so I could share the link and you could see it with the link, or private, so I would have to actually share it with your accounts, the most difficult. So from here I want to go back to Blackboard. Let's add another content area. And in this videos tutorials content area, I'll start by searching and see if we can find maybe too fast. It doesn't get to the search tool as quickly as you would like. So for now, I'm just going to add this as URL. and I'll set this to open a new window. I will come back and change this one, and when I'm going to finish this other recording, it's over 10 minutes now, of how to create the recording and encode it and then embed it in YouTube. As usual, if you have any questions, please call me at 463-4096 or email paul.carson@hofstra.edu.